Welcome back to the tutorial. In today's tutorial, we are going to talk about percentage dimensions. So let's add a percentage for the parent component. Let me quickly remove this. Next, box 1. We can set 20%, which means it will occupy 20% of the container's height. Let's add a background color. So this will give us a thin and elegant stripe of powder blue at the top. You can copy this and we can change this. You have to change the background color as well. If we change this to 30, all right, make it 50. We can see the box 3, it's the largest, set to 50%, filling half the container's height with a deep steel blue. Okay, and you can change some values and see. This is a snapshot of how percentage-based sizing can create adaptable interfaces that look great on any device. And now we are going to change the height of the main component. Okay, let's set this to 70%. It now occupies just 70% of the screen's height, creating a more compact layout and leaving space at the bottom. And these boxes still maintain their percentage-based heights relative to the container, but the entire layout is now scaled down to fit within the new container height. And it's really good if you do some changes and see on your simulator. Okay, so thank you for watching. See you in the next video.